Hello everyone, this is part 2 of getting started with e-learning, where I take you inside of a course and show you the very basics of e-learning. At this point, I would like to take you into a course, so let's move to the course list by finding your course that you want to go in. Click on the course name and now you are inside the course. Now to begin, I'd like to show you the course layout. Keep in mind that all courses have the same layout and components, a course menu and a content area. On the left side of the screen is the course menu. Pretty standard links for a course are announcements and the course homepage. All of the announcements that your professor posts will appear on the announcements page. Your instructor can use other links like a discussion board, my grades, assignments, and quizzes and tests, or use folders in the content area. So be sure to review the information that can appear on your course homepage, like the professor introduction and the semester syllabus. Now I want to show you how to submit an assignment. First, I'm going to click on the assignments link in the course menu, and then you can see assignment 1. Clicking on assignment 1, you will see the assignment information at the top. The name of the assignment and any instructions will also appear here. It also shows me when the due date is and the total possible points. I can copy and paste my submission into the text submission box, or I can attach a file using Browse My Computer, which is what I'll do now. Once you attach a file, you can scroll to the bottom and either save as a draft or submit. Please note that saving as a draft does not make this assignment available to your instructor. So now that my file has been uploaded, I will click the submit button, which will take me to a page to review my submission and its confirmation number at the top. Be sure to save this number as proof of the submission. I can scroll down and click OK. And now I would like to take a closer look at tests and quizzes. As you can see, I have a demo quiz here on my course homepage. To enter the quiz, I just have to click on the link name. I will then see the test instructions, which can include a time limit and a set number of attempts. Make sure you read all of the instructions, as these are important to taking the quiz. When you are ready to start, click on the begin button. Now I am looking at the exam. At the top of the screen, I can see the timer and how many questions I have to answer. Now, I'll go through the quiz quickly. You can see that as I take a quiz, each of the answers save automatically. Once I have finished, I can scroll down and hit save and submit. It's going to say I have some incomplete questions, but that's okay. After you submit, you can see the test submission page. Once I click OK, I can review what I have submitted. Depending on the instructor, you might be able to see what the correct answer is versus what you answered and your score. But this completely depends on how the test is set up in your class. Now let me show you how to look at your grades. In the course menu, I'm going to select the My Grades link. Clicking on this link in the course, and you will see a list of all the grades that are currently visible to students. As you can see, for homework 1, I have a grade for it, 94 out of 100. Clicking on the homework 1 name, I can review my submission, feedback to learner, and more. Once I'm done looking at this, I can select OK, and it'll take me back to my grades. I can also see the grade for the quiz that I took earlier. Clicking on the quiz name, it can show me my assessment details and my calculated grade. I could select on this grade to be allowed to review my quiz 1 submission. Selecting OK, and it will take me back. Please note that the grading area really depends on your instructor, because there's a chance that they may or may not make all graded assignments available to you. When I look at the homework assignment that I submitted earlier, there's an exclamation mark that says needs grading. This means that the instructor or teaching assistant has not yet graded the assignment. At this point, I'd like to talk to you about some communication tools that may be available in your course. As I mentioned before, your instructor has the ability to turn on and off tools. The first tool I'd like to talk to you about is the UT Dallas email tool. This can be seen in your course menu. This tool allows you and your instructor to send emails to people in your class, and once that email is sent, it goes straight to your UT Dallas email account. So, if this tool is available, make sure to check your email regularly, as you might be getting emails from your professor, TAs, and fellow students. Another tool that your instructor might use is Discussion Board. If your instructor has enabled this tool, you can click Discussion Board in the course menu, and you will be taken to a form list. By clicking on a form, you can see all the threads attached that other people have made, and you are able to make comments on each one of them. So, now I have given you a full overview of e-learning, and I just want to remind you that this may not be exactly what your course looks like, since your instructor has the freedom to choose which tools they want to deploy. If you ever need any help, there is always the e-learning student site that can be found at the bottom of the e-learning page, and also the 24-hour e-learning help desk. Thank you so much.